Guys, Andrew here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to download references from SciSpace. And this could be whatever research that you want to do. So if you're on SciSpace and you want to do a research, you can go ahead and just start your research, and basically once you start your research, all of your content, the result will show up something like this. So I'm going to quickly head over to the lecture section here, and this is a research that I've done here, and I'm going to open this so that you can see what your research could potentially look like based on the questions that you may ask. Let me go ahead and expand this. And the more you go in depth into your research, you will see the relevant papers that are found to support your research. So as you can see here, this was the first. So as you can see here, these were different researches that I've done. So this was the first research here, and I said go more in depth. And it just basically goes into the research, and it found quite a lot of papers or research, relevant papers that to support my document here. Now, if I scroll down even more, you will see that it goes into in depth into each of those different papers. And in order to request or to download references or those different papers, all you have to do is just simply find the paper or papers that you want to request. And once you do that, you just need to simply click on the request button here. As you can see towards the lower left hand side, it says request PDF. Click on that, and here you can write a little note to the author requesting why you'd like to get your hands on those documents. You don't have to put anything really. As you can see, it's optional, but it's just a nice to explain and to be, share some appreciation, so that it's a good gesture really, so that you can, once you click on that request, you'll have this pop-up here that says your request has been sent successfully, and you just have to wait until you receive your hands on that document there. Now, once you receive the access to the document, you'll be able to get full access to it, so that you can open the document, you can use the document as well. I believe you will also be receiving an email as well, letting you know when you get full access to the document, so you can quickly access that as well, because everything is tied under your account as well, right? So you can always come here and check your account, and your research will always be under your lecturer reviews, so you can always go back there and find it. It is stored, so you'll be able to quickly come here and find your lectures and go back in depth to do more research or to read more or so forth. That's all there is to it, guys. That's how you go ahead and download references from SciSpace. Very easy and very simple.